Today we're going to show you volume 2 of the broccoli drink. Really healthy and nice. So first of all, I'm going to put 1, 2, 3, and 2, 5, 8 pieces of broccoli inside of it. 2 pieces of slices of cucumber, a piece of a fresh ginger, some honey, roughly 2 teaspoons, some water, half cups of water, and blend this in roughly about 3 seconds. Good to go. Nice and lovely. Just finished blend, so let's see what's going on right here. This is the way it look, really thick and nice. Look at that, guys. That is fantastic, beautiful, rich and nice. As you can see, looking fantastic. So look at that, beautiful, really nice and colorful. So basically that's exactly what we are about at the moment. As you can see, exactly what's going on right there. Healthy drink. Enjoy the recipe and subscribe to the YouTube channel. And thank you so much for watching Chef Ricardo Cooking Show. We got a lot more recipe like this coming out for you. And as you can see, what we are about right here. So basically, this one is gonna be broccoli and strawberry. Really nice. New recipe, as you can see. Really nice and wonderful, guys. So hopefully you will like the recipe and subscribe to the YouTube channel. And as you can see, look at this one now. That's exactly what we're all about with this lovely drink. Really nice and beautiful. So as you can see, it's just broccoli and strawberry. It goes really well. So hopefully you guys will like the recipe, subscribe to the channel, and please leave your comments. See you next time with Chef Ricardo Cooking Show. Bye bye.